So hello guys, welcome to Safety Tech. Today I'm going to review the Logitech G502 Hero and say if it's worth it in 2020. Should you consider this mouse in the price segment, or is there any competitors for this mouse? I'm also going to compare this mouse against the several mouses in this price segment. So watch till the end of the video, and if you love this content, what are you doing? Just go subscribe to watch more videos like this. And without wasting time, let's get the b-roll started. So let's unbox the G502 Hero. So this is how the box looks. This is the retail version. So let's open the box. As you can see, it's the Logitech typical packaging. All the mouses are packaged like this. I think Logitech has to improve their packaging, what you call the boxes. So this is the mouse. This is the weight you get along with the mouse. Okay, so let's keep it aside. Yeah, so this is the G-Hub, the software, saying about the software, what you can control. This is the warranty. So let's throw this all outside. Oh man. So this is the mouse. First let's check out the weight. As you can see, it has 5 pieces. Yeah, 5 pieces. 2 I've already put in the mouse. Each are 3.6 grams, so that's nice. Now this is the Logitech G502 Hero. They give this small elastic band to cover the wires. So as you can see, the wire is long, I guess 2 meters. That's actually very good because my PC is far away from the mouse pad, so this is very good. It's 2 meters guys. It's actually very big. It's more than enough for anyone whose PC is very far, so that's good. Now let me open up the back part. It's the magnetic part. Okay, so it's like, as you can see, you can hear the magnetic thing. So here you get 5 pieces, each 3.6 grams. You can keep it anywhere, here, here. I wanted weight over these both parts, so I've kept here. For you can keep it anywhere you wish. So the wire is braided. That's nice, because last G502 Proteus core was getting kinks and they improved that part over here. Now let's move on to the mouse itself. You get 12 programmable buttons, as you can see. So there's this is the scroll wheel. There's a lock for the scroll wheel. As you can see, this is the lock. So if you press this lock, it becomes tight. It becomes tight like your normal scrolling wheel, as you can hear. So this is the this option makes it loose. Can you hear? Let me make the mic move, little friend. Yeah, can you hear? The mouse goes infinity. Like the mouse was moving even though my document finished, but this didn't stop. So I'm addicted to this feature. This is why I like G502 Hero. So now let's light the G502. Let me connect it. So yeah guys, I've connected my mouse. So as you can see, there's RGB on this DPI option and the logo. So let me first show the DPI. As you can see, this is the DPI. So these both are the DPI. These are also programmable buttons, but when you're normal on your home screen, these both work as DPI buttons. So this for decreasing and this for increasing. So if you can see, I'm decreasing, it becomes 1. If I increase, it becomes more. You can set up to 10 DPI, so that's very good. And this is the sniper button. Actually it is default sniper button. You can change it for other games, like you can change it as reload, anything. G-Hub software is very good. This is the grip. There's grip on both the sides. That's very good touch. It's obviously plastic, not rubber, but that's a good touch. So overall, this mouse is for people who are little long hands. Like my hand, you can see, is little long, so I feel is very comfortable over other mouse. Yeah, small mouses also feel comfortable, but these are for little medium to long, not for small hands. But better check it out. If you have any store who sells this, just check the mouse, your size, and then go for the mouse. Now let's jump into the G-Hub software. So yes guys, so let's jump into the G-Hub software. So this is the as soon as you plug the mouse, your mouse will appear in the software. You can download the software. I'll also give a link in the description for the software link if you're lazy. No offense. So if you click the G502, you can see you can change the color, lighting. This is the primary is the DPI and the logo is the logo. So the you can assign any macros to your 12 programmable buttons, so that's very good. You can change, like you can set your DPI for, like I told, like, so there are 3 triangles. You can set whatever DPI you want to go in the 3 options, so that's very good. You can sync the, like you can keep one lighting like breathing for the DPI, and logo you can keep cycle or even screen sampler. So and you or else you can sync them so they work together, and these are real time showing, like what you are seeing in the software is showing the mouse, so there's no latency between the mouse and the software. That's very good. And you can set different options, like if suppose you're playing Fall Guys, you can set a separate DPI, like opens up, that activates in your mouse only when you enter the game, so that's very good. You can set for GTA 5, Rainbow Six Siege, Apex, and it automatically senses the game, so that's very good. But one thing guys, if you are storing your games in your D drive, or you store your games in C drive, put your software in the same drive so that it can sense it can sense a game faster, or else you have to do some fiddling with the software for the game to get scanned. So make sure the game and the software are on the same drive. So that's it guys for this video. If you love the video, give a like, share the video, and if you love this content, subscribe. And that's it guys. See you in the next one.